is Charity Leish. You can call me Leish. And I'm really sorry, guys. My voice is really husky because I have a flu, but I hope you can hear me. Welcome so much to this channel. So, guys, I want to show you how I achieve this look. It's a very quick look you can do if you don't want to go to the salon like me, or you don't have time to go to the salon. Then you only need gel and this afro wiglet here, and then you can do this look and look nice, lovely, glammed up, all that. So I don't want to speak much, but guys, please subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below because I'll be reading all your comments. And without much ado, let's get started.